I've taken the lid off the distiller. Now just check out the lime scale in that. Absolutely amazing. I'm about to descale it using the coffee descaling solution. So I've got some hot water in a jug. I've got the descaling solution. I'm just going to tip it into the jug just a little bit. Stir it all around, and then I'm pouring it in here, and I'm just going to leave it for a while, 10-15 minutes. There we go, it's been less than 5 minutes and it's perfectly descaled, got all the lime scale and the scum out of what was supposed to be filtered, pretty good filtered water, not reverse osmosis, but certainly a good filtration system. So you can use that descaler on all sorts of things. Just check the inside of your jug you're boiling of a day. You'll also find heaps of lime scale, and you'll need to descale that. Washing machines and dishwashers also will benefit from being descaled with our descaler.